Welcome to the demo of the SetPro web and mobile app. We will begin by signing up the user on the producer's dashboard. This is done by entering some basic information and setting up a login email and password. A verification email will be sent to the user's email inbox and they can simply click on the link to complete the sign-up process. Once your email is verified, you can log in using your credentials. This will take you to the producer's dashboard. Now, to fully complete the production house profile, simply click on View Profile and fill out all the necessary information accurately. Now it is time to create a new project, which can be done by clicking on the blue tab. Fill out all your project details accurately. The project code is a unique 6-digit numerical code that will be shared with all crew members and vendors you decide to work with on this particular project. Remember to share this code with the people working on this job. The project is successfully created and you are ready to have crew members and vendors join your project. On the right side of the screen, you are seeing a smartphone screen being mirrored in a separate window. By doing so, you will see the real-time interaction between a crew member's phone screen and the producer's dashboard. A crew member can download the SetPro mobile app from Android Play Store or the App Store for Apple devices. They will log in using an OTP that will be sent to their mobile number. Then, simply follow the steps to create their profile by accurately entering the necessary information. The KYC documents and bank account details need to be entered just once and they are set for life, no matter how many projects they work on with how many ever production houses in future. To complete the eKYC, simply upload a picture of your PAN card and Aadhaar card from your mobile device itself. And now you are all set. Setting up your profile takes just a couple minutes. You are now ready to join a project. This can be done by clicking the plus sign on the top right-hand corner on the mobile app screen, and simply enter the unique 6-digit project code. Then, select your department and designation. Your KYC documents will be automatically populated. And that's it. You have now officially joined the project. That was easy, right? The producer will be notified that a crew member has joined their project. The producer will take the next step to approve the crew member's eKYC documents with just a couple clicks, and the onboarding process of the crew member, or a vendor, is now complete. The producer can also see all of the crew members' information on a single window, such as their contact information, the transaction history between the production house and the crew member, and their bank account information as well. The eKYC documents can now be approved or rejected instantly. The KYC documents can also be downloaded and saved on the local PC, if required. Once the eKYC is completed, the crew member will be notified whether their eKYC is approved or rejected. Next, a contract can also be issued to the crew member directly from the dashboard. A contract is more common in longer formats such as feature films and TV or web series, but becoming increasingly popular for shorter format content as well. You can simply select a contract template or upload your own format. The information in the text box can be easily modified. Once the producer assigns the contract to the crew member will be notified, and they can review the contract that has been assigned to them, on their smartphone from anywhere. Once reviewed and approved, the crew member can electronically sign using their finger on the mobile device itself and instantly return it to the production house. This will be available for both parties to download on their respective devices. Similarly, an NDA can also be signed, for which there is a template available to choose from. Next, the production house can use the SetPro platform to upload and share important shoot-related documents with crew members. This can be done by simply uploading the files they would like to share, under the Project Documents tab for a particular project. These documents will be instantly shared and stored on the cloud for easier access in the future. If needed, the documents can be downloaded as well. The producer can also click on the Talent Database tab on top to see the entire list of crew members and vendors they have worked with in the past across all projects. They can filter by department, and also search for talent by their name, location, etc. Now let's see how a crew member or vendor can submit their invoice through the SetPro platform in a quick and efficient manner. They can submit a reimbursement or a remuneration invoice. We will see examples of both. First, the crew member can manually create an invoice on the SetPro app. They can simply assign an invoice number, put the date, add their line description and amount to charge, and the platform will create an invoice using the SetPro template. You can also put your GST rate if you have one. In just a few seconds, a valid invoice is generated using the information entered. Note that critical information such as the production house address, GST number, PAN number, the crew member's information and the crew member's bank account details are automatically populated. This significantly eliminates the possibility of errors on an invoice, which in turn can help process payments faster. The status of this particular invoice is now pending, waiting for approval. Now, here you can see how a reimbursement invoice is submitted. The crew member can simply use their phone to attach documents to support their invoice such as receipts, by clicking a picture and uploading it along with the invoice. The invoice and the image of the receipt are created and published on the same document, so it is easier to approve and easier to keep records as well. Finally, here is an example of how someone can also upload an image of a handwritten invoice through the app. With the strong AI capabilities of the platform, the software is able to read and extract the subtotal from a handwritten invoice. Cool, right? The producer is notified each time an invoice is submitted for a particular project. All invoices are instantly displayed on the producer's dashboard under the Invoices tab, waiting for further action to be taken. The producer can view and download the invoice for their record keeping. The producer will now go ahead and approve or reject each of the invoices. The crew member will be notified immediately once an action has been taken towards the invoice they have submitted. This makes it extremely easy for both parties to track the status of the invoices that are submitted. If an invoice is rejected, the producer can put a reason for rejection so that there is an explanation and the appropriate next steps can be taken. Thank you for watching.